Which food is most harmful to the lungs? The answer is B, salty foods. Which food is the worst for the heart? The answer is C, fried foods. What damages the brain the most? The answer is A, sugary drinks. What is most harmful to the kidneys? The answer is D, canned foods. What is most harmful to the liver? The answer is B, alcohol. What negatively affects the stomach and intestines? The answer is A, fast food. What is most harmful to the ears, eyes, and skin? The answer is C, sugary foods. Which food helps reduce inflammation? The answer is C, blueberries. Which food strengthens the immune system? The answer is B, citrus fruits. Which food is best for maintaining strong hair? The answer is A, eggs. Which food supports good eye health? The answer is D, carrots. Which food is beneficial for the skin? The answer is B, avocados. What strengthens bones and joints? The answer is C, milk. Which food is known to boost memory? The answer is D, nuts. Which disease is known as the silent killer? The answer is A, high blood pressure. What is considered a normal blood pressure reading? The answer is B. Which food can increase blood pressure? The answer is C, salt. What is the normal fasting blood sugar level? The answer is D. Which food can raise blood sugar levels? The answer is A, white sugar. Which part of the body heals the fastest? The answer is C, tongue. What is the dirtiest part of the human body? The answer is D, belly button. How many times does the heart beat in a day? The answer is B, 100,000 times. What is the normal body temperature of a human? The answer is B. Which part of the body has the thickest skin? The answer is D, feet. Which part of the body breaks down food? The answer is A, stomach. Which part of the body is responsible for hearing? The answer is C, ears. Approximately how many liters of blood does an average adult have? The answer is A, 5 liters. What is the most common blood type? The answer is D, O positive. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Answer is C, O negative. Which organ pumps blood through the body? The answer is B, heart. Which organ detoxifies the body? The answer is A, liver. What is the main function of the kidneys? The answer is C, filter blood. Which cells carry oxygen in the blood? The answer is B, red blood cells. What is the medical term for high blood sugar? The answer is A, hyperglycemia. What is the medical term for joint inflammation? The answer is D, arthritis. What is the medical term for a runny nose? The answer is C, rhinorrhea. What is the correct term for inflammation of the gums? The answer is B, gingivitis. What is the medical term for fainting? The answer is syncope. Which doctor specializes in treating children? The answer is B, pediatrician. Which doctor specializes in kidney diseases? The answer is D, nephrologist. What is the chronic inflammatory condition of the colon called? The answer is A, ulcerative colitis. What is the most common cause of high fever? The answer is C, infection. What is the function of the pituitary gland? The answer is A, regulate hormones. Which type of cholesterol is considered good cholesterol? The answer is D, HDL. Which part of the body should be protected the most? The answer is C, brain. How many times do we breathe in a day? The answer is B, 20,000 times. How many bones does a baby have at birth? The answer is A, 300. Which organ is responsible for absorbing water? The answer is D, large intestine. Where is the smallest bone in the human body located? The answer is A, ear. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? The answer is C, insulin. How many did you get right out of 50? Drop your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, please like, share, and subscribe for more.